So we have the battery operated DEWALT chainsaw 20V 12-inch. And I was a little skeptical at first regarding a battery operated chainsaw. I was like, how much power does this really have? Can this really do the job for me? Will it be underpowered, etc.? And I was blown away by this, so check out this review. So this is completely battery operated. There's no cord, so it's a cordless system. It's gas-free operation, so it eliminates cold starts, fumes, carburetor issues, maintenance, blah, blah, blah. We all have been there where we grab a power tool that's gas operated and the carburetor is flooded or it doesn't work. So you don't have to worry about that anymore. This takes all the DEWALT batteries, so if you have the DEWALT tools, makes it nice and simple. You can use this to cut beams, do demolition work, manage tree limbs. This battery operated chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor work. So a couple of good positives on this: easy, good battery life, easy to maneuver. The chain oil reservoir easily accessed and easily open. Uses all the same batteries for all my DEWALT tools. Definitely use this as part of my tree trimming and cutting down branches. Definitely recommend this. A 5 out of 5 rating for me.